we're going to make a Sfenj, which is a Moroccan donut. Okay, so this is super, super, super simple. This is flour. All right. And then we've got a little bit of dry yeast that's been bloomed with water and sugar. Yep. Very lightly bloomed, which means the yeast and the sugar are put in with water and it gets frothy and kind of bubbly, like a little latte situation. We're going to add a bit more water to this. All right. And then we're going to add a little bit of salt as well. Now we add this kind of after everything's together because the salt will kill the yeast. So I'm just going to throw that right on top. And then we're going to add a little bit of just orange zest because I don't know, why not, right? I mean, you could add lemon.
I love citrus zest. Yeah, I'm in for any of it, whatever I got in the house.
Exactly. And especially right now too, we got amazing blood oranges in season. So we're going to add that. And then we're just going to mix it. It's just going to mix and knead. It's like easier than pancakes, like I said. So we let that mix for about 7 minutes. And then we let it rise. We let it double in size. And then you have fantastic, bubbly.
Oh, look at that. Whoa.
Exactly. So very, very simple. And then in a pot of oil over here, we're just going to spread it. Now, this is the coolest part, okay? Because I'm a donut person. Like donuts are.
I know. You're a donut aficionado.
In my personal and professional life, okay?
I know. Amen.
Amen. All the way around. What I like about these is that you don't need to roll them out and let them rise and do the whole thing the song and dance that we play with yeast donuts, right? And we don't need a special extruder like we do for cake donuts. You can simply just get a ball of dough like this, and you pull it open like a ring, and you place it right.
Easy.
So easy. So easy. And we're just going to let this bubble and froth and cook, and we can do a couple more. Let's just get this loosened up. Now, I don't even have a ton of oil. I'm using a nice little cast iron or Dutch oven, and that'll hold the heat. That's what you want. The thing is about home frying is that usually the surface area isn't a ton, which means that the oil will cool down. All right, so a nice cast iron is good. We'll throw a couple in. You can even do just straight donut holes if you want, if you don't want to mess around with this. But so good. So easy. So now what we're going to do is just dress these guys in honey. All right, we're going to do a little chopped pistachio on top if you want.
Oh, you're killing me. Oh.
You can do, like, honestly, anything. You know what? As I was getting prepared, I was like, I've got some ground cardamom. We're going to do a little cardamom and confectioner sugar, because
nice.
Who doesn't like powdered sugar all over your face or all over your sweater on a snowy day? And then I'm going to crack one of these guys open so you can see it. Stick this guy right here.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, my goodness.